Hey, what's up guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Civivi Mastodon. Now this thing's just an absolute beast. I did a review on the Mini Mastodon a couple months ago, but I gotta admit this guy's in a completely different time zone. Now the thing is, without the forward choil, the Mini Mastodon was pretty much a three-finger knife. But this guy right here, I can get 4 on it, no problem, and still have room to spare. Now the handle shape is pretty much ergonomically neutral, so whether I'm holding it down here or down here, it's pretty much going to feel the same. Now the blade is stone-washed and made from 9CR18. It has stainless steel liners and G10 scales. The pocket clip is deep carry and can be reversed for righties or lefties. It is a tip-up only design. Now the overall length on this guy is a solid 9 inches. The blade is 3.875 with a cutting edge of 3.625. The width is 1.50 with a thickness of 0.15. Now the handle length is 5.50. The width is 1.125 with a thickness of 0.52. Now the weight on this bad boy is, let me tear that out, 5.780. So still a decent weight. I mean, it's under 6 ounces. But the thing is, this is a big knife. And I'm actually kind of blown away they were able to keep it under 6 ounces. Now, compared to the Elementum, you can see it's right around 2 inches bigger than that. Now, compared to the Delica 4, which is pretty much the same size. Yeah, it's around, I don't know, 2 inches bigger than that as well. But the Delica and the Elementum are pretty much around the same size. Now, compared to the Concept Cryo, that's good enough. You can see it's roughly around an inch bigger than that. So again, it's a big knife, so expect it to take up a little bit of pocket real estate. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And please check me out on Instagram for much more. Stay safe. See you guys on the next one.